It's Friday, January 10th, 2025. It's 8:50 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and return when the market opens and I see a possible trade. We're only 6 minutes into the open, very early, but I'm watching VMAR, second highest gainer, up about 90%. Just coming back up above VWAP. It does have good news. They're partnering with another company to make cooling plates for electric boats. How about that one? High of day is this last candle, 289. But just came up above VWAP. We need some more action upwards before I would consider taking a piece of this. I'll pause and return. I have an order in and I am in on VMAR. Profit and loss down here. My price is $2.97. I have 90 shares. See if this move can continue up. It does have good news. Second highest gainer on the list at the moment. And I am out. Let's go take a look. Okay, $24.29. That's an 8% gain on this trade. I was in this just under 4 minutes. I held on a little longer than normal. I was continuing to push up. I tried to squeeze as much as I could out of it. In at 297 with 90 shares and out at 324. So I'm happy with that trade. Good way to end the week on a Friday. Thanks a lot for hanging out, and I hope to see you in the next trade.